to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show all of you how to put on highlighter for beginners. It's a really simple and quick and easy tutorial. Anyone can put on highlighter, and trust me, any type of highlighter will work for this tutorial. Just make sure you have highlighter, you have fingers or a brush that can help you, and you're ready to go. So if you're interested in knowing how to make your highlighter pop, or how to just put on highlighter in different areas on your face and a little bit on your body, make sure you stay tuned and let's begin. So today I'm just going to be using a pressed highlighter, and today I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is such a good drugstore highlighter. So once you have your highlighter, you're probably like, okay, how do I put on this highlighter? So you can choose to put the highlighter on with your fingers, which I do most of the time. I've seen people use a beauty sponge to put their highlighter on. I haven't done it. And then you can use a fan brush. There's different sizes for fan brushes. So there are smaller fan brushes in this, and then there's bigger ones. You can use a small blending brush. I've seen many people do this. And for blending brushes, this is for precision as well. If you want to make sure that you're only putting the highlight on a certain spot, you can do it with this one. And then we have a little bit of a bigger brush here. This is a blush brush, and I don't wear blush at all, so I just use this because I feel like the width of it, the thickness of it, and the size of it is just perfect to put on highlight. So you can pick which one you, out of these four, I have to put my finger in amongst all this, so out of these four, you can pick which one would work best for you. I'll use probably all of them to show you all how it looks. So there are some places that you can apply your highlight. You can apply your highlight on the bridge of your nose here. You can apply it on the tip of your nose. You can apply it on the center of your forehead right here. You can apply the highlighter, the high points of your cheeks. Some people put it on their cupid's bow. I see people put it on their chin as well. And then there's some, you can put highlighter underneath your eyebrows if you're into that style, or on the temples. If I'm wearing tops that cuts off, as I'm wearing right now, I would apply highlighter on my collarbones right here or on my shoulders. And then sometimes I'll apply it right here. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is going with this brush, and I'm going to start off with the nose. And there's two things that you all can do. You can just simply go in with the highlighter and putting it on your nose, or you can wet your brush, or you can use a type of spray. Water works as well. I'm just not near a tap, but you can wet your brush and then get your highlighter. I like putting on very light highlighter because it's not my style to have blinding highlight. It's just not my style. But if you're someone who's like, I need that blinding highlight, definitely go on with more. When I do my highlighting, I usually do it right after I set my face, so my face is kind of damp, and then I'll just go in with my highlight. But right now my face is dry, so I went in with the setting spray, and then I'm just going to put the highlight on my nose with this brush. So on the tip of your nose, if you feel like you need to blend it out a little bit, just go in with your finger. And that's a light. I like light and subtle, okay? So what I see people do as well is they go on to their bridge. I never do it, but I can show you all how it looks. You can go with your finger. Do you see how much is on my finger? And I lightly, this highlighter is really good. It's a little bit, goes a long way. So, and then some people just go on to the top of their heads really lightly, but I'm going to blend that out. Okay, so now I'm going to go on with this brush. So you want to apply highlight just at the top cheekbone right here on your face. Some people go higher up, but if you're a simple girl like me, you're just going to want to put it right there. Just on lightly. I recommend going in lightly with highlighter and then gradually add on. And just blend. While you're putting it on, blend. You want to blend it out so the highlighter can just like gradually transition into your contour. Like it's just a gradual transition, not a straight harsh line. So now I'm going to use the same brush, and I don't really put a lot right here, like a little bit, because I feel like it looks really unnatural. Okay, so after doing that, if you want to go in with putting highlight underneath your eyebrow, go ahead with doing that, but that's not my style, and I feel like if I go in right now, I'm just gonna mess up my whole entire makeup. So all you want to do is go in with the highlighter and put it as close as you can right here on your eyebrow, right where your eyebrow arch is. Okay, right underneath it. I'm gonna go in with this detailing brush because I just want the highlight to lightly. So after doing that, what you can do now is your chest, and all you want to do is apply the highlighter on your collarbones. Just have fun with it. It doesn't have to be precise. You just want to lightly. And then what I do is put some at the high points of my shoulder, which is right there. Do you see it? And trust me, again, I'm going to emphasize, if you really like a strong highlight, go ahead and add more than what I added. Let me show you. I'm going to swatch this very lightly. I'm swatching this lightly, like I'm not doing a very deep in, digging out the pan swatch that most people do. I'm going to lightly put my finger, much is on my finger, just by lightly swatching it. You all could see that this drugstore highlighter is very pigmented. So that's it. As you can see, this is how I look with all the highlighter on me. As you can tell, it's a really simple and easy tutorial. Everyone can do this. At the end of the day, your face and your body is ready to rock this highlight and it will look so good. So if you really like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.